What's up guys, this is Anthony. In this video I'll show you my process of washing my Cayman. As you can plainly see, the car is filthy. I don't usually let it get like this, but we've been having a lot of fires in Northern California, and there just hasn't been a good time to wash it until now. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I do is rinse the car. I'm using a Sunjoe electric pressure washer, which does an awesome job of knocking off probably 90% of the dirt, bugs, and brake dust. With the car fully rinsed, it's time to clean the wheels. I'm using Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner, which is awesome because of its active brake dust dissolving agents, but it smells truly awful. I spray it on, then I agitate the face of the wheel and the brake caliper with a detailing brush. For the barrel of the wheel, I like using this synthetic wool brush, which is much softer and I think far better at cleaning than the traditional bristle style brush. A good rinse with the pressure washer, and we're ready for the next wheel. The reason I clean the wheels before anything else is because they are, by far, the dirtiest parts of the car. If I were to clean the wheels after I had washed the rest of the car, I would risk splashing a bunch of dirt and brake dust all over the clean paint. Now for the fun part. I'm going to use Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink shampoo in my Tool Daily foam cannon to apply a thick, sudsy layer of soap over the entire car. This method is really great because the foam dissolves and lifts the dirt off the paint, and gravity just pulls it down. With the car all covered in foam, it's time to take a quick photo and begin washing. Here I'm using a soft microfiber wash mitt to gently agitate the soap. I start at the top of the vehicle and work my way down. Time for a good rinse with the pressure washer. To dry the car, I use a microfiber drying towel and work my way from the top down. With the exterior dried, I then open the doors and trunks to get the last bit of remaining water. I'll use a separate towel to dry the wheels. This way I keep my main drying towel free of any paint damaging brake dust. Moving on to the interior, I first remove the rubber floor mats to give them a scrub down. I'm just using some soap with a tire brush to loosen all the dirt, before giving them a good rinse with the pressure washer. I use my cheap old Bissell with the wand attachment to vacuum all the carpeted areas, along with the seats and any other surface that has collected loose dirt and dust. Once everything is vacuumed, I use some Griot's Garage interior cleaner and a plush microfiber towel to wipe down all the surfaces, making sure to buff out the excess with the dry side of the towel. This interior cleaner works wonders. It creates an OEM-looking matte finish without being greasy or sticky. With the interior complete, I then move on to cleaning the windows. My favorite method is using Stoner's Invisible Glass in conjunction with a microfiber towel made specifically for glass. This always produces a perfect, streak-free finish. Now that the tires have had some time to dry, it's time to give them a coating. My favorite tire product is definitely Griot's Garage Black Satin, which in my opinion gives the sidewall a perfect level of gloss while restoring a deep, rich black. I simply spray it directly onto the tire, then use an applicator pad to spread it out evenly, making sure to wipe any excess product off the wheels using a clean microfiber towel. For the finishing touch, I like applying PNS Bead Maker Protectant. This is probably my favorite car product I've ever used. It creates a cured, hydrophobic layer with a super glossy shine, and it keeps the car cleaner longer. I spray it directly onto a small section of paint, then buff it out with a plush microfiber towel. Finally, I clean the chrome exhaust tips using just a little bit of Mother's Instant Detailer and a clean microfiber. And here's the final result. Let me know if you liked this video by liking the video. I'll have links to every product I used in the description, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.